Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike, the Bowtie Vet Guy. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about noise phobias in your pets. Here in Southern California, we're kind of lucky because we have noise phobias only a couple of times a year. The main thing we have are fireworks. Thunderstorms and noise phobias aren't always the same thing. So we'll have some dogs that are afraid of thunderstorms, but don't worry about fireworks, and vice versa. We can have it both ways. The number one thing you can do is give them a safe place to be. That could be a bathroom, or it could be their crate, maybe even with a blanket over it. Anything to sort of dampen that noise. Even turning on the fan gives some white noise, or a white noise machine can sort of cover some of those sounds. Once they're in that safe area, giving them a food treat, something to occupy their mind can really help them out as well. A few other things that you can do that can really help them out. You can use pheromones. Pheromones are chemicals that one animal puts out that affect the behavior of another animal. And we have some for dogs that come as a collar or a spray or even a plug-in diffuser that you can just put in that room, and it just gives out a signal for them to just chill out, man. Everything's okay. Another product that's really cool is something called a thunder shirt. And this is just a tight wrap that goes around them. We aren't absolutely sure why this works, but in some dogs it makes a huge difference. You put this on and all of a sudden they're not afraid at all. If your dog is having a really tough time with fireworks or thunderstorms, please go see your veterinarian because there are medications that can really help. Anything from Xanax to Valium, all the way through a new product called Cilio, which is a gel that goes onto their gums and can really help in situations where they're having bad anxiety. If you have the time, you can work on desensitizing your dog to the noise that they're afraid of. The idea here is that you're going to find something that they are afraid of. So in this case, fireworks. You're going to turn them on a very low level. I usually tell people to start off at 0 and then sit with your dog and very slowly turn that up. And then you see your dog just kind of look like, did I hear something? They're not to the point where they're excited about it, panting, running away, looking around. They're just calm, sitting there and noticing it. So that's the level we want it at because we're getting 0 reaction here. And so we're just gonna do some practicing of sit. And what you do is then every day, you're gonna take them at that very, very low level. And for a week, you're gonna make them do sits and downs. You're gonna give them a Kong with yummy food treats in it. And after a week, you can then turn that up just 1 notch, just a teeny tiny bit. And you'll notice that if you do this very slowly over weeks and weeks and weeks, that pretty soon you'll have that noise level way up. It's going bang, 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 and they're just like, yeah, this is when I get my treats, man. This is cool. I love fireworks. And hopefully what that will do is then when fireworks come around the next time, whether it's 4th of July or New Year's, they won't care so much about it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please subscribe and put any comments you have below. I hope this helps you with any noise phobias you have with your dog, and if not, get it to your vet and they can help you out. Thanks a lot.